Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the engine safe and accessible. Once the battery is off, remove the engine cover or intake snorkel to expose the valve cover where the PCV sits. Locate the PCV valve on the valve cover or intake manifold. It usually plugs into a rubber grommet. Grab pliers and a ratchet, then gently twist and pull the PCV to free it. Do this now so you can inspect the hose and grommet for cracking or oil buildup before continuing. Now focus on extraction and inspection. Once the hose clamp is loosened, pull the vacuum hose off the PCV and keep track of orientation so you reinstall correctly. Pull the old PCV straight out of the grommet. If it resists, use steady twisting to avoid tearing the rubber. Inspect the removed part. Sludge or a stuck check valve indicates failure and can cause rough idle or oil consumption. Clean the grommet and surrounding area thoroughly so install the new PCV by pressing it firmly into the grommet until it seats. Make sure the valve orientation matches the one removed. Reattach the vacuum hose and tighten the clamp, then reconnect the battery. Start the truck and watch idle stability. Once running, listen for hissing and inspect around the grommet for leaks or oil weeping. If you get a rough idle or check engine light, test for a vacuum leak using a carb cleaner spray or a smoke tester. That single test usually reveals a sealing or hose issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.